Hey guys, Craig Burris with SalesRockit. You can see I just got my notification of my sales task due today, and it's going to be a busy day. Let me jump over and just show you what the workflow will be like for each of your reps. So I've got 179 tasks. I've done a bunch of them already, but it's a busy day. So I jump back over, and the first one is an email. So we'll go ahead. Let's just do a quick look and make sure this is the one we want to do. I like it. Actually, you know what? I don't like this one. I'm going to shift it to this one right here. I think I like that one better. So let's go ahead and send that. Complete. Next one. Oh wait, I just sent him a email yesterday, so I don't want to send that. So let's delete. Move to the next. Now some of these tasks will be phone calls. Some of these tasks will be go to LinkedIn and connect with people. Some tasks could be text people. We also can send letters, postcards. We have a fulfillment center that'll do it all for you. It's all automatic.